In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Jujutsu Infinite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join Jujutsu Infinite in 2024. Now, I'm going to do this process through a web browser. So, when you look for Jujutsu Infinite either on the Roblox launcher or here on the website, you will be able to find the game. However, at the current moment, it is private. So if you try to join inside of the Roblox launcher, you are just going to get the message telling you that the experience is private. So what you have to do to actually be granted access to play this is to join their Discord. So if you scroll down after you select the experience here, you should be able to find the Discord. Keep in mind that you have to be signed in. So if I do this process through the actual launcher, I look for Jujutsu Infinite, and I browse through the results, I'll be able to find the option to join their Discord. So click this little icon here, and you will be able to select continue, and a web browser will appear. You will then be redirected to this website here. Then you will be able to join their Discord server, and you have to choose the option to become a tester. You can choose these other options if you wish as well, so I'm going to select everything, choose next, and then you can choose notifications, but I'm going to skip this option. Make sure that you read and agree with the terms of service, and once you are done, you won't be granted access just yet. First, you will have to verify your account, so go through the process here, make sure that you read through the announcements, the rules, the updates, and then if you go over here to the server shop, you will find the options to be granted access and become a tester. So you have the option to become a student sorcerer for $5 per month or a high-grade sorcerer for $10 per month, and both of these will grant you the tester role, and you will be able to subscribe to these to actually be granted the tester access. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Jujutsu Infinite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.